Supersonic sneeze. Anonymous. Sammy was 6 years old, got himself a common cold. Nothing special, nothing new. Sniffles and or two. Teary eyes. Nose bright red. Chicken soups up hot in bed. Cozy blankets piled up high. A sleepy nap time lullaby. Sammy's mom and Sammy's dad and Sammy's little brother Brad went about their business humming, never dreaming what was coming. Unsuspected if you please of Sammy's supersonic sneeze. A sneeze so like a hurricane. It shattered every window pane. It spun the saucers, scrambled socks. It shook the brooms and tossed the clock. It turned the sofa upside down and blew the bathtub into town. Look out! Cried Brad. Alas, too late. As Mom and Dad flew out the gate, then Brad himself set through the air, followed by a rocking chair. After dark, the cat came back. The postman brought it in his sack. Mom returned and so did Dad, and right behind them Brother Brad. Sammy giggled from his bed. I think my cold is gone, he said. But then Brad coughed. He sniffled too. He cried, I got the cold from you. Ah, 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 choo. Thank you.